Welcome back. Today we are looking at the testing VAL CUCINA infrared heating 263 QD air fryer toast. Does it live up to the hype? When you spend decades evaluating commercial-grade machinery, heavy-duty workshop tools, and restaurant apparatuses, your ears and hands develop a specific kind of intuition. You learn to listen for the resonance of solid steel, the precise hum of an industrial-grade convection motor, and the reassuring, heavy click of an engineered thermal seal snapping into place. Check the video description for the updated price link. Most domestic kitchen appliances fail this sensory test instantly. They rattle, they sound hollow, and their thin sheet metal flexes under thermal stress. But every once a while, a piece of countertop equipment enters the domestic sphere, carrying the unyielding DNA of heavy engineering. The VAL CUCINA infrared heating 26.3 QD air fryer toaster oven, often discussed alongside commercial heavy hitters like an industrial convection oven Vulcanus, one of those rare exceptions. Boasting a massive 26.3 quart capacity, a 10 inches, 1 multifunctional matrix, advanced infrared heating elements, and a sleek black matte stainless steel chassis, this machine commands attention. This exhaustive, SEO-optimized review, we are going to tear down the mechanics, dissect the performance metrics, analyze the acoustic footprint, and evaluate whether this powerhouse deserves a permanent berth on your kitchen counter. Heavy manufacturing and commercial kitchens. Performance is defined by raw energy transfer, structural rigidity, and acoustic feedback. When a heavy-duty industrial convection oven Vulcan fires up its heating banks and heavy blower fans, you hear a deep, authoritative low-frequency purr that communicates stability and thermal mass. Domestic air fryer toaster ovens have historically attempted to mimic this capability by simply scaling up a tiny tabletop toaster, resulting in uneven heat distribution, flimsy door hinges, and high-pitched, whiny fan motors that sound like failing computer hard drives. VAL CUCINA approached the 26.3 QD model with an entirely different philosophy. By incorporating industrial-grade infrared heating technology wrapped in a robust black matte stainless steel housing, they managed to bridge the gap between heavy commercial equipment and residential ergonomics. The moment you unbox this 10 inches, 1 combo unit, the heft tells the story. Weighing significantly more than standard consumer toaster ovens, it features dense chassis insulation, heavy-gauge interior cavities, and a multi-tiered rack system that feels like it was lifted straight out of a professional bakery line. If you are setting up an ambitious kitchen or expanding your culinary workspace, matching this kind of heavy-duty reliability with a related product guide can help you curate a thoroughly upgraded, highly efficient home infrastructure. To understand why this machine performs the way it does, we must examine its internal architecture. A 26.3 quart internal volume is massive for a countertop footprint, requiring an extraordinary distribution of thermal energy to eliminate hot and cold spots. VAL CUCINA solves this structural challenge through a combination of quartz infrared heating tubes and a high-velocity convection blower. Capacity 26.3 quarts, capable of handling a 12-inch pizza, a 15-pound turkey, or multiple racks of side dishes simultaneously. Heating technology: advanced infrared elements paired with a high-speed convection fan system. Construction: premium black matte stainless steel exterior with an easy clean enamel interior baking pan and cavity walls. Control interface: precision mechanical dials or digital interface. Options designed for tactile feedback and long-term durability. Versatility: 10 inches, 1 functionality covering air frying, convection baking, broiling, roasting, toasting up to 6 slices, dehydrating, warming, and more. When you turn the mechanical control knobs, there is no loose wobble or cheap plastic snapping sensation. Instead, each rotation yields a heavy, mechanical detent exact tactile response you expect from heavy industrial machinery. Check the link in the description to get yours today.